If a woman has lost interest in you and has gotten your replacement, these are the things you start noticing. The first one is she begins to reply very late to your texts and chats, even when she's online. Before, whenever you text this girl, she will immediately reply. She will immediately, in fact, she will be the one disturbing you. You don't reply to my text very fast. You're always keeping me on red. You don't call me. You don't text me as often as I want. She will be the one disturbing you for your attention. But if this thing goes from her disturbing you for your attention to not giving you attention at all, then trust me, most likely she has lost interest in you, or she has started losing interest in you. Either because of something you did, or probably because she has just met a better guy. At times, if a woman doesn't like you enough, doesn't like you a lot, if a better guy comes her way, she's going to leave you. But most times, if a woman who used to, disturb you for attention before stops giving you attention, most likely you did something that made her to lose interest in you. Because the woman who liked you so much to the point of her always demanding for your attention will not just leave you because a better guy came her way. She will leave you because you did something wrong, and along the line, a better guy came her way. That is why she now left you. Or that is why she's now about to leave you to go and be with that better guy. So, this is the first sign. The second one is she stops calling you, and it now becomes only you that is doing the calling. Before, this guy used to call you. Personally, I've been in that same shoes. I had girls that used to call me like 5 times, 10 times in a day. If I don't pick, she will keep calling. I used to have a girl like that some time ago. If I don't pick my call, she will keep calling. The girl was so obsessed with me that at times I'll be like, does this girl even have some dignity? I'll be asking myself because the way she will call me, the way now I don't blame her because she liked me so much. And when a woman likes you so much, they most of the times they throw away their common sense. They will keep calling you till you answer their calls. And if you answer their call, it's not even something of emergency. They just want to hear your voice and know that you're okay. It's coming from a place of love, a place of care, and a place of obsessiveness. So you don't blame them. They've taken the lights. We'll continue. So this is the first sign that a girl is about to lose interest in you. And of course, when this happens, you can't do anything. You simply have to accept your fate. The third sign is she starts giving you excuses anytime you tell her to come over. If you tell this girl to come over to your place and she gives you an excuse, first time, second time, third time, then something is wrong. Before, anytime you tell this girl to come over to your place, she will come. Anytime you tell her, let's hang out, she will come out. But these days, anytime you tell her, babe, come over to my place, she will give you one excuse. Babe, come, let's spend the weekend together. She will give you an excuse. Those times she's not spending it with you, she's most likely spending it with another guy. That is a fact. A woman will not just stop coming to your place all of a sudden, except a new guy enters the picture. And one thing about women is, even if they want to break up with you, they won't just break up with you like that. They will stay with you even when they know that they've lost interest in you. They will stay with you till they find a better guy. Once they find your replacement, they have left you. That is how women behave. Women don't like to jump ship unless they are certain that this ship is the one they want to jump into after leaving you. So they always want to have a ship they will jump into before leaving you. So her not coming to see your weekends, most likely she's going out there to see another guy. The fourth one is she begins to complain about everything you do and find fault in everything you do. It almost becomes as if she's irritated by your presence. This girl used to be nice and cool before. Whenever she comes to your place, everything you say is always funny to her. She's always calm. She's always loving. She's always agreeable to everything you do. But all of a sudden, she begins to pick out fight in everything. She begins to quarrel. She begins to find fault. She begins to complain. She begins to nag. She begins to tell you hurtful things. This girl is simply looking for an avenue for you to get angry and leave her and break up with her because most likely she doesn't want to be the one to do the breakup. So she wants to get you angry so that you can get angry and break up with her. Or two of you can start having fights, and before you know it, she'll tell you, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. I want to leave you. That's their strategy. That is the female strategy for breakup. Inciting fighting, inciting quarrels, inciting complaints, just to bring a friction between two of you. So when your woman starts doing this, trust me, and that guy is in the picture, and she's looking for every means possible to leave you. The last one is she stops being nice to you. A girl who used to buy you stuff, lend you money, cook for you, do whatever you ask her to do. All of a sudden, this girl is now mean. Whenever you tell her, babe, come on, do this for me, she tells you, no, I can't do it. She starts giving you every excuse in this world to not do those things she used to do for you before. Now, most likely, for a woman to get to this point, you did something wrong. You know, I always tell you guys, see, if a woman liked you to the point where she was calling you, texting you, cooking for you, being nice to you, making herself available whenever you want, and all of a sudden she stops doing all those things, she not just stop doing this because another guy came into the picture. No, you must have done something wrong. That is that. A woman who loved you to this point cannot just stop loving you all of a sudden. No, you must have done something wrong, which made her to start losing interest. Probably she met another guy along the line who was nice to her, who treated her better. And of course, women are emotional. She fell for that guy, and that's that. So these are the 5 signs that should tell you that this woman has lost interest in you and has gotten your replacement. Trust me, this is female nature.